Welcome to Dominican Republic. This is day 2. We continue. So let's see where I'm heading to. So join me on this adventure.
Okay, I say family for included. Okay, let's go.
Hello, hello. Hi, beautiful people. How are you guys doing today? Today is another day. We are in Dominica Republic and we are at Punta Cana and we are heading out to the beach again today. It's day 2. So we are going to the beach today to have some fun, but we has to get a shuttle from over here. So guys, I want to welcome everybody to Worldnokim. For those who are new, I welcome you to my channel. For my returning subscribers and my followers and my viewers, welcome, welcome to Worldnokim. For all those who subscribe, I really do appreciate that. Guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos.
Guys, before we go, I want to show you around a little of this resort.
Please follow me on this adventure today down to the beach. Let's go. They have a foot spa here. Okay, let's check out the spa. Hi, good morning. I'm just doing a little vlogging. Okay, so they have a spa here, so you can go to the spa. And what time you guys open until when?
We are open every day, 9 to 8.
9 to 8. Okay.
Yes.
So if you want to get a reservation, you have to book it in advance or you can walk in.
We recommend you make one day before, but
Oh.
also you can walk and see if we have the available rental.
Okay, okay. And you guys have like a website, a special packages that you can choose from?
Yes.
What's the website?
At the Milliap app, you can find our menu and see the different treatment we offer, and also you can
Okay.
make your appointment by the app.
Okay, thank you. Nice meeting you
It's my
guys.
pleasure.
Okay,
Have a
thank
good
you.
one.
So we have a spa here. So beautiful. I don't have that much time, so we go to the beach. And they have the little setup there that they can do your foot out here. And that's the gown they give you to wear. Okay, so this is another bar here. Oh, the kids are in here. So they have a kids room here. It's in a, oh, it's not opening. It's locked. Okay, there's the kids. Oh, thank you, thank you. Hi, good morning.
Hi.
So the kids are having fun here.
You're the babysitter?
The presentation.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, so nice meeting you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, he's having fun. Look at the kids. Okay, so I'm going over.
Here.
Okay, so we are getting some gift here.
Here.
No, what year?
Right?
We're checking in this gift shop to see what we can get to take back for gifts.
So we got some stuff from the gift shop, some t-shirt. They had this t-shirt like the kids one, 3 for $10, the adults 3 for $10. So that's a good buy, and they're very pretty, nice colors. We got these,
You have tablet or
and we got a cap.
maybe two packets sell separate. Yeah, all separate.
Give you a little tour around this resort. The resort name is Paradisus, and it's very, very beautiful. Look at all these plants. It's so nice.
This way. You sure? I think it was this way we went. Look at this. So beautiful. Oh, what happened here? Oh, they're cutting the palm trees down.
Yeah, because it kind of becomes a hazard because the rooms are really close to the plants.
Oh, okay.
So they are trimming these palm trees here. They have a lot of palm trees right through here, but they're trimming them. And look at these plants. They're very nice. This place is really nice. You get fresh oxygen around. So healthy. Look at this from the fourth floor. This is what a palm tree looks like, and the plants around from the fourth floor. So this is what they're trimming at the bottom there, these trees.
So, guys, we're heading down to the beach. Another day at the beach. Oh, I almost scared. The whole place is wet.
Look at this place, how it's beautiful. It's nice.
Say hi to my viewers. This is Josh. He's up today. He's out. He didn't go to the beach yesterday with us, but today he's gonna go.
It's very beautiful around here. Look at these trees. These palm trees. They're so beautiful. And the area is well kept. Look at all the trees and the plant, how they're all well kept. The place is so clean. We are going over there by this pool area. We has to go and reach up with the guides them over here, and then we're gonna head on to the beach from here. This is a nice big huge pool, but you have your personal pool. In my previous video I had show you guys you can upgrade your room and you get the personal pool. It's like for $600 a night, and it's very nice just by your room. But this one is big. Like this one here have a bar also. It's a bar right in the water here by the pool. So while you're swimming, you can just go to the bar, sit by the bar, you can hang out, you can drink. It's so convenient. Right by the pool they have the bar. This is so nice. A lot of people is here out here today, but the sun is kind of hot. It's so heated. The poor baby, he's so scared. His mom have him, but he's scared of the water. So cute. Aww. I'm going around here. See where these guys at. Oh, they're over here. So let's reach up with them here. We're going on the beach, but it looks like it's gonna rain. And what I heard that if it's rain, They always close the beach because of the rain, and they don't want anybody to get executed with the lightning and the water. So they always close the beach. So hope it's open for us to go. So let's check it out. We are here with the guys now.
Guys, the kids want to go in the pool. They don't want to go to the beach, so we cancel the beach. So we're gonna hang out in the big pool today. We're not gonna hang out at the one at the room. So we're gonna be here.
Look, you got two in a row over there. Look.
Yes. So let's take the two. So we go camp here. The kids can go. So we have two in a row here. So we're gonna take these here. Here is empty. Is empty, or someone is sitting here?
No one's sitting here.
It's hot today. So we're hanging out by the pool. We changed our mind from the beach because it was raining, so they closed the beach. Rosie! He's bringing Rosie this way. Rosie, come on, let's go. I'm going by the bar to get something cold to drink.
So guys, we're heading over to the bar over here. We are going to get something to drink. The kids are over there by the bar. They have places that the kids can go and have their juice just right by the bar. They can hang out after they swim. So we are going over there. I'm going to show you guys a little around here. Around the bar around here. It's very, very nice. You can swim and then you can come here. You can hang out. That's Josh and Rihanna. They're sitting by the bar. They're having their juice and soda, I think. Let me go around here so I can show you a little around this way. So let me go on this side. It's beautiful. You guys see here? So nice. Stock bar here. Let me show you guys the bar. This is over here. See, they have all the good things here. Look at the bar, well stocked. And they have a restaurant across here, just opposite the bar, that you can come and you can eat here. This is a grill restaurant, but it's very nice.
So Rihanna and Josh is hanging out at the bar. But if I said they're not coming this way, I don't know. Oh, it's hot, the sun. Come on, Evan, come here. Oh, you're counting. Oh, you have your... Oh, you bring your Paw Patrol? Woo! I know, he's swimming like crazy. He loves the water. He's like there for hours.
Say what I'm talking about, you got that trick of a sack, bro. You love it.
So guys, we are going to get some lunch now. It's almost 4 o'clock. So they have a grill side by the pool. So we are going to the grill restaurant to get some grilled food. It's all grilled food there right now that you order and they make it for you to grill it. It's really, really fresh. So let me go try out this grill restaurant that they have here by the pool. It's a poolside grill restaurant. So let's check it out. Okay guys, we are having Tito with sparkling water and lemon. It's really tasty. Cheers. Happy birthday again to me. It's strong. I spilled it. It's so full. It's so refreshing, but it's a little bit strong. It's fine though.
Guys, we finished eat. We had jerk chicken and we had salmon, grilled salmon and jerk chicken, and now we are having some rice pudding. We call it sweet rice in Guyana. Some people say kheer, but they say rice pudding here. So we finish eating, we're leaving here, we are going back over there. This is a bar, we're passing back again. We can go wrong on the other side, so you can get access to the bar on both sides. You can go wrong on the other side also. It's very nice. The kids are still here.
Okay guys, hi, how are you guys doing today? I'm living my best life. It's my birthday again. The whole of August is my birthday. All August is my birthday, so I'm living my best life. I'm in Punta Cana. So guys, let's enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on YouTube, Worldnokim. Okay. This view is from my hotel. It's from my room. This view is from my room. Sorry.
So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like. Please don't forget to subscribe. And see you in my next video. We're tired. We just came up. So we go to bed. We're leaving in the morning. Back to New York. So see you guys. Bye.
Hey guys, we are sitting at the airport. We are waiting to board now. In here. Waiting for more plane. All of this is there. Actually, I'm not feeling a little good. I think I'm coming down with something. I'm getting sick, so I'm like so stuffy. My throat is burning, and I'm getting a headache. I'm feeling a little chilly, so I hope I'm not getting sick. But it's a good thing I'm going home. So if I get sick, I'm gonna be home.